Hey everyone, Rick Albert here. 3 things you need to know as an investor this week. Number 1, in the news, interest rates are actually at their lowest in the last 10 months. So just something to consider. We're still in the mid 6% to high 6% range. There are talks of rates going down. The reality is maybe they will, maybe they won't. So don't necessarily bank on it, just plan for today. Second thing, a law you need to be aware of, they've extended the price gouging laws again, this time to September 29th. Don't be surprised if they extend it again. For those, as a quick recap, price gouging law is basically no more than 10% above what it was previously rented for in the last year. And if it hasn't been rented in the last year, there are certain guidelines through the HUD website, bedroom count, zip code, things like that. And then it can be higher than that. And then if it's furnished, it's an extra 5%. So in most cases, it probably doesn't make sense to furnish it, but it is something to consider, and especially if you previously lived in the home and it was already furnished. Third thing, general tip. So it is first come, first serve for accepting tenant applications now in the state of California. So what that does is really just increases the requirements. So before, I used to not have a requirement for a credit score number. I looked at the history. Now I have to have a number, 750, 800, whatever. But talk to an attorney. But one option might be have the high credit score, right, 750, but then have subcategories. If you don't have 750, then you must meet A, B, and C, right? Because there are people out there that have a low credit score because they haven't established a lot of history. I don't want to punish someone because they decided not to establish debt, right? Doesn't quite make sense. Especially if someone is at 700, 750, and they show some past balance dues or some late payments. I'd rather take the person at 650 who just doesn't have a lot of credit. Something to keep in mind. Love to get your thoughts. Comment below, and I'll talk to you guys soon.